Hi guys, welcome back to Maple Hill Farm, and in today's episode I'm going to show you how to make a DIY worm composting bin for use in your home or barn or outside. So one of the things you're going to need is a container of some sort. I have a tub right here. You can buy them at basically any retail store, or you can use the used one that you already have. And make sure to get the lid with it. You're going to want that. And I built mine so it was designed so it can be outside in the spring and part of the summer and part of the fall. So I did not drill any holes in the lid, but I did drill holes in the side. You're going to need holes for ventilation. So I drilled 12 holes on each side. Doesn't require much, just a standard drill. And you can add more holes if you want. I might add more holes. I probably will add like 4 more on each side, so 16 to 20 holes per side. Don't make them too low because down here you don't want the worms to escape. And inside, I'm not too worried about the worms escaping through these holes because I'm not going to build up the worm compost and stuff high enough so that they can get out. I'll probably max out at this line right there for building up. Probably won't even go quite that high. So we did order 1,000 red worms. You may have seen that video already. But anyway, the first thing you can put in your bins or bin is newspaper. You can like rip them up good. I would just rip them into strips or pieces like I have. The smaller the better, and worms will break these down. And why are we getting worm compost bin? Well, it's to break down food scraps that in the winter time, you know, you just don't end up going out and taking out compost scraps daily, and not everything you can feed your chickens. So other stuff like paper products, stuff you won't use in the winter, we're going to be having this in our basement in the winter, and then outside and more hospitable months. But anyway, we're just doing this so we can break down our food scraps and get lots of compost for the garden. I think it's at 8 to 16 ounces of worm castings per day from 1,000 red worms, which is what we ordered. So that's pretty good. And yep. And other things you can add to your worm bin include crushed eggshells for calcium and a little bit of grit. You can also add sand. I will be adding sand, but I don't have current access to it, so I won't be adding any in this video. Used potting soil just to give them something to live in until there's a good base of worm castings and stuff. And this is also used microgreen growing mix. It's not official microgreen growing mix, it's just potting soil that I use to grow microgreens, so there's a little bit of dead microgreens in there too. You can add all that. As you can see, this is like what the microgreens did with their roots. They formed basically a brick of soil with that. And you can also add manures as long as it's broken down. Right here in this bag I have well-rotted chicken manure. So I'll just use this container to show you guys what it is before I dump the rest of it in. So it's just chicken bedding from our chicken coop that's been breaking down for a few months. Not in the chicken coop for a while. And I'll just dump the rest of that right in. Just don't add fresh manure of any kind because that could hurt the worms. I don't think that's the best idea to add fresh manure. Make sure it's had a chance to break down for a while. And another thing we will also be adding is probably used hamster bedding from our hamster. We haven't showed him in any videos yet, but anyway, he'll just be able to, then we don't have to throw out the hamster bed. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to go out and start your own worm composting beds.